Hello everyone, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use Canva. You can customize these templates to be designed with your images, information, so it's specific to you and NICC. For events, flyers, social media posts, resumes, PowerPoints, posters, there's a never-ending examples that you can use for your courses or use to promote material. So to get started, we want to make sure that we are on canva.com, C-A-N-V-A. You can go to the right-hand side and select Sign Up. Feel free to pause this video and come back as soon as you have your account created. Once your account has been created, you can log in and you'll be able to access the Canva designs. When you get to the home page, there's a variety of ways you can go about selecting an already done template. We're going to simplify things and use the search bar to find exactly what we're looking for. For myself, I want to create a flyer for my career survival course. So I'm going to type in flyer. We can see after typing it in that there are tons of already pre-made templates done. Any information, we can edit the text, edit the colors, even edit the images. I personally like this flyer. By selecting this image, I'm choosing to edit it to fit my own personal information. Once we're on the image, you can choose to zoom in or zoom out. So going down to the right-hand side, we're going to select zoom to 50%. From our image, if we roll our mouse over, we'll see that there's a blue line around a variety of texts and images. This allows you to personally edit whatever is outlined in blue. So for this course, we want to make sure to edit the text here and maybe even the colors. So to begin, I'm going to type in Education 1020, Career Survival. Once an item has been selected, you can edit that item at the top from the font to the size to the color. Also, you can change line spacing. There's quite a few things to explore here, so I encourage you to do so. We're going to keep this design pretty minimal, not editing too much except personalizing it for the course. We also want to make sure to include Nebraska Indian Community College, as well as basic course info. So we may want to include examples of what the course will cover. Once we've inserted our course info, it should look something like this. I can also change the size, again, by going up here, as well as personalizing the information on the bottom. I'm going to want to make sure I add the course times. For this course, it's going to be 10:50 through 11:50 a.m. on Wednesdays. We also want to include where we're going to be meeting. Skype for Business. Once I'm done with this, I can also move things a little bit because I also want to add information about student services. So I can paste this information in for how to get a hold of Alvin, Terry, and Crystal. You'll also notice that I can move this as a whole, or if I ungroup at the top and click off, I can move it individually. I can also change the length and adjust things until it fits what I'm looking for on this design. I may also want to make this more with NICC colors. So I can select the background. Again, when an item is selected, we can edit it at the top. So by clicking the background, I'm editing the background color. If I want to make this closer to NICC's colors, I may choose to do a dark blue background or something that fits. So from here, I'm also going to edit the darker colors just to stand out a little bit more. I also want to make sure that this has been approved by my division head and also the academic dean. Once it has, I can also upload the NICC logo. Simply by clicking it within the left-hand toolbar. You'll notice that this feature also allows you to upload photos, insert text, include any designs, or even switch your templates. There's, again, a lot of different options, and you can choose to get as fancy or as minimalist as you want. We are going to just insert this logo and call it done. We have created a course flyer for career survival. You can also choose to share it at the top once you're finished, rename it, and also download it. Under the share option too, you can select who you'd like to edit, view, or not share this with. Once you've finished with approval, you can click download here to a PDF, a JPEG, or a PNG. I'm going to choose PNG so I can insert it as an image on social media. And from here, we'll click download. And that's it. You've just designed your first flyer on Canva. If you have any additional questions or would like to personalize your flyers even more with photos, please feel free to let me know and we can walk through things step by step. Thank you.